Okay, peeps. So today's episode, we're going to talk about how to fix a motor that tab is broke. That's where your positive wire goes. So our test subject is this one right here. See how the tabs broke off? So this is how I fix this problem. So I happen to have a really teeny tiny soldering iron. I will take my soldering iron and it's going to be kind of hard to do this. This trough right here, I will take my soldering iron and melt it all the way down to the contact. Just like well, you get the point. That's example. This is one that I have actually done the trough, melted the plastic down to the metal contact, which would be this guy here, but inside the plastic. Then what you do is in that trough, you take and drop some solder in there. Then you come back, once you've dropped some solder in there, get your wire and put it down in the hole in the trough. Then you solder it in. Now you have to be careful not to leave too much of the wire showing when you bring it over this way, because if your wire is touching the metal casing, it'll ground itself out and it won't run. Or it won't run, either that or it won't run worth a shit, depending on how it's touching. Then you take and drop your solder on the side there for the light bulb. And then you drop it all in place. And let's see if I can do this. Well, I can't do it with one hand. But anyways, so you take, doesn't matter, the negative or the positive, doesn't matter, as long as one wire is touching here and one wire is touching the metal case. You take and jump it. Without a light bulb in it, I love to use a 4 AA setup because it really gets that motor to turn. It really gets that sucker zinging really, really good, and it cleans up all the contacts and everything else in the motor. So I figured I'd show my next video.